So we're down here in Peckham in southeast London. This is another project we've been working on for around about the last 3 weeks. So what we've done on this project so far is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Used to look like this property next door, so I'm just going to give you a close-up of how everything looks. So we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced around about 300 bricks so far, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. I'll just give you a little close-up of that. So as you can see, it's all drying out now. The customer had lots of damp issues on this property, so as you can see, the lime's working really well now, drying all of the damp out, all of the solid walls. What else we're doing on this project is getting all of the old paint off of all of the stonework, because as you can see, can't paint over the stonework like this. We're burning all this old paint off. Once all that's burned off, we'll restore all of the window sills, all of the stonework, get all of the nose-ins, everything nice and square and sharp, ready for decoration. We've also got some actual stone restoration to do on here as well. So as you can see on the cornice, all of the details been lost. So what we'll do, cut that back and then we'll restore all of the cornice work, so it's all be ready for painting. Also got to restore the window sills as well, so we'll cut back all of these window sills. As you can see, these are all blown, can't be decorated like that, so we'll cut all of them back and restore all of the window sills. Upstairs, further on, we've also taken off all of the window reveals. That was all rotten as well, so rendered all new window reveals around the windows, so they'll be ready for painting. Got a nice square edge to work with now. We've also tuck pointed all of the arches. As you can see, complements really well, so we've tuck pointed all of the arches. Top 2 window sills are okay, so they'll just need to be a bit of restoration on them and restore them. As you can see, the arches on the top as well, all been tuck pointed. It's drying out really nice now. So that's the overall finish of the penny roll pointing. As you can see, the detail in that is absolutely spot on as always. That's dried out really well now, so that's going to be the finished colour once it all dries out. Also got some work to do down on the basement level as well. So we've got 2 decoration of all of the, we're also doing all of the woodwork here as well, so decoration to all of the windows downstairs on the basement. I've got to do all of the decoration to all of the render downstairs. But as you can see, lads are getting all of this old paint off, quite time consuming work, especially if you've got a lead based paint with lots of layers on, so it's time consuming to burn all of the old paint off, but nothing we can't handle. So carrying on with that, as you can see, quite a bit of cracking going through the portico there as well, so that'll need to be repinned. We'll get all that pinned as well. Then downstairs on the ground floor level, we've got to sort out all of this render, so get all the old loose flaky paint off all of the render down here. Any areas that are blown we'll re-render, and that'll be decorated along with all of the woodwork as well. So far so good, all looking really well. Lads have done an amazing job so far on this, and we'll show you some more progress once the scaffold's down in a couple of weeks time. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.